blaze from the past, like embers inside our souls. Truth will